How to change country on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change our country on Android device. So let's just get started with the process without any delay. So if you're on Android, you just need to head over to your Google Play Store application. And once you are there, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner from this interface. And this menu opens up. So all you need to head over is to this option called settings, open it up, and from this section head over to general. After that, under this drop down option, you will be finding different options. Open this option called account and device preferences, and once you open it up, under country and profiles, you'll be finding an option that lets you change your country. Select the country that you want to use, and for that you may need to add a payment method associated with that country to complete the change first. So go ahead and do that, and that's only when you can move to a new country. So that is how you change your country on your Android device following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.